all of you in today's lesson. This is lesson number 46 for grade 3 mathematics, and today we are going to study more about division, and we are going to practice about long division. Okay, it's not in your book. Don't need to open your books. If you want, you can write in your notebook, or you can practice these questions which I am going to do here. I'm going to solve here. So I'm going to write solve here long division, and in long division I want to write the answer. Let's suppose the question is here 87 divide by 3. This is, let's suppose, the question. First I write here question, that is let's suppose solve the following. And in this question the A part is to divide 87 by 3. So here I take a symbol of this 87 by 3. This is 87 by 3. This is actually division sentence. 87, this is called division sentence, and you have to find out the answer. 87 divided by 3 equals to what? Okay, so for that what you will do, you will take the sign of an as. Don't need to do it. Okay, this okay guys, what I'm going to explain, so if, I want to explain some division terms to you, and for that I will do here some drawing. Let's suppose this is called the symbol of division. Okay, this is called a symbol of division. It's up to you. If you want, you can write in the notebook. If you don't want, don't need to write in the notebook. The important thing is to learn the concept. Yes guys, this is the sign of the division. If 87, this is 87, right? This 87 is, you have to divide 87 by 3. So because 87 has to be divided, so you will write 87 here, and this 87 is your dividend. This is your dividend. I will take this one, and you will say it is your dividend. All right, this is your dividend. The number which has to be divided is called dividend. Okay, and the number by which you are going to divide the dividend is known as divisor. The number by which you are going to divide is known as divisor. You are going to divide 87 by 3. So this 3 will be his divisor. This 3 will be his divisor. So you will write divisor. Divisor. Because you are going to divide this 87 by 3. So its divisor will be 3. So these terms you should know. Okay. I repeat again. What is dividend and what is divisor? Dividend is the number which you are going to divide. You are going to divide here 87. So 87 is dividend here. And divisor is the number by which you are going to divide dividend. You are going to divide 87 by 3. So 3 is divisor and 87 is dividend. Okay. Now let's solve this question. How you have to solve? Uh, First I take this one symbol here, division symbol here. Guys, don't message me on the chat box. I need to close the chat. Okay. Now I'm going to put the sign here of division. This is division sign, and I make it bigger. Here I write 87 and you have to divide it by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 87. How you have to solve this long division? Guys, first you have to check the first number. How many digits are there? 2 digits. First check the first digit only. And check in 8 how many 3's are there. Or check the table of 3. Can you have 3 here? Can you have 8 in the table of 3? So you check the table of 3, 313, 326 or 339. So there is no 9. But you can check how many 3's are there. So 313, 326 and 339. So there are 2 3's. So you can write here there are 2 3's. Okay. I will take this. I will take help from this drawing for writing this. There are 2 3's. Okay, now I multiply this 3 by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. So just write exactly down to this number 8, because you check in 8 how many 3's are there. There are 2 3's. Multiply this 3 to this 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. The third step is to minus this 6 from 8. Okay, minus this 6 from 8, and then you will find 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. Now, how many 3's are there in 2's? There are no 3's in 2's. What you will do, then you will drop this number down. Drop this number down with this 2 and it will become 27. Drop this number down with the 2 and it will become 27. Now check in the 27 how many 3's are there, or check the table of 3. Is there 27 in the table of 3? So when you check the table of 3, 313, 326, 339, 3412, 3515, 3618, 3721, 3824 and 3927. So you are going to write 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. 3 multiplied by, sorry, 9 equals to 27. So now 9 times how many 3's are there in 27? There are 9 3's in 27. Multiply this 3 by 9, 3 9 27. Just write on exactly down to this 27, and then what is the third step? Third step you have to minus. Now when you minus 27, so the answer will be 0. So this is how you solve the long division. I repeat, there are some steps you have to follow for this long division. First, you write the dividend and the divisor very carefully. The first number is the dividend. This is divided by this number, right? So write the dividend under the symbol. This is 87. Then write the divisor out of this symbol, out of this sign. This is 3. Now check the second step is to check this number. How many 3's are there? How many 3's are there? So there are 2 3's. So write 2 here and multiply this 3 by this 2. When you multiply this 3 by this 2, you get 6. The third step is to minus, because division is repeated subtraction. So third step is to minus this 6 from this 8. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Now you repeat the steps again. You check how many 3's are there in 2. So there is no 3 in 2 because 2 is less than 3. So now what you will do, this is 7. You drop down this 7 from here to there. And it becomes now 27. So it is now 27. Now check in 27 how many 3's are there. You check the table of 3. So there are 9 3's in 27. 9 times you read the table of 3 to get 27. So multiply this 3 by this 9 and you get 27. Again minus and you get 0. So this number is known as This number is known as quotient. This is known as quotient. And the last number is known as remainder. This is quotient and this is remainder. This 0 is your remainder. This is known as remainder. Again, I repeat this division method for you guys. First, you have to recognize the divisor and the dividend. The number which you are dividing is dividend, and the number by which you are dividing the dividend, that is divisor. This 3. Place the dividend inside and place the divisor outside. Now, if there are 2 digits, 3 digits, check the first digit first. Does it come in the table of the divisor like 3? Uh, 8 comes in the table of 3. Check how many 3's are there in 8. There are 6. There are 2 3's. So write 2 here and 3 multiplied by 2. Multiply this 3 by 2 and write 6. The next step to minus this number from 8. Minus 6 from 8 you get 2, but there are no 2's in 3's. There are no 2 in 3 because 2 is less than 3. Then check, then drop this 7 down and it become 27. And in 27 check how many 3's are there. So there are 9 3's in 27. 3 into 9 multiply 27 and then again minus 27 minus 27 0. This 0 is your remainder. This can be 0 also, this can be 1 2. In different question it can be different. And if I want you about what is your answer, so your quotient is your answer. So 29 is the answer. 87 divided by 3 equals to 29. I hope it is very clear to you now. I'm going to unmute your mic. Yes, guys, is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Any,
Yes, sir. Sir, page one, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, what, sir?
who is this guy just shouting? Don't need to shout, guys. If you did not get anything and if you want to ask question, then only speak. Otherwise, do not open your mic. I'm going to open your mics, but if you have question, if you did not get anything, then you need to open your mic. Otherwise, don't need to speak. Yes, guys. Anything you need to ask here?
No, sir. What is a page? What is a page, sir?
No page number.
No, sir. No, sir.
Listen, guys.
Mama.
Wait, all of.
Sir, no.
Wait,
Wait.
please, all of you. This is not from the book. We are learning the basic concept of division. So no page number. Okay, it's not in your book. Just look at here. If you want to write, you can write in your notebook. No page number here. Okay, this is not from your book. We are practicing the long division. Now, if you have any question, if you did not get anything, then tell me, please.
Sir, I get all things very easy.
No, thanks, sir.
Very easy, sir.
Guys, those who got it don't need to speak. I'm telling you, only those boys who did not get, only they speak so that I can listen to them. If you are silent, that's mean I know that you know very well, you understand it. If you're speaking, that's mean you did not understand. Those who did not understand only speak now. Yes. Who did not understand?
My name is Abdulaziz Walid. I don't understand.
Sir, I did not. Notebook wala.
Abdul Aziz Walid, you did not understand.
Sir, Raja, notebook wala. No. Sir, Raja.
It's your wish. Write in your notebook, or you cannot. If you want to write in your notebook, you can write it. Abdul Aziz Walid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdulaziz. You did not understand the question? How to divide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about the dividend and divisor?
No, I don't know it.
The number which you have to divide is called dividend. Okay? Abdulaziz, the number
Okay.
which you have to divide is called dividend. Which number you are going to divide here?
Okay.
You are going to divide here 87. Okay? So 87 is your dividend. All right? And the number by which you are going to divide, that is called divisor. So you are going to divide 87 by 3. So 3 is your divisor, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to divide first? First, make the sign of division. Put the dividend inside. 87 is dividend, right? 87. Then divisor outside. This is 3. Then check the table of 3. This is 3. Check the table of 3. Is there
Okay.
8 in 3? Or check how many 3's are there in 8. How many 3's? There are only 2,
Okay.
3, 6. Okay. Multiply this 3 by this 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to? Yes,
87.
6. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. And the next
6.
step
Okay.
is to minus this. Minus this 6 from 8. You get 2. Then again
Okay.
repeat this same step. Is there any 3 in 2? So you will say so no, because 2 is less than 3.
No.
Then drop this 7 down. Drop this 7 down, guys, here. Now it becomes 27. And now check how many 3's are there in 27. For that, check the table of 3. So there are 9 3's in 27. 3 multiplied by 9, 27. Okay. Then multiply this 3 by 9 and write just exactly to this 27.
Okay,
And
sir. Okay, thanks.
minus 27 minus 27 0. This answer is called quotient, and whatever is remainder, that is your remainder. 27 minus
Okay,
27
thanks.
0, 0 is your remainder.
And thanks for reminding me.
Okay. All right, guys. I hope those who did not understand, they got it now. Now I'm going to do one more question, and you have to solve by yourself, and you have to tell me the answer. And I'm going to ask by one of you also. So the next question is, it is B, and this is now 58, sorry, 78 divided by 2. 78 divided by 2 equals what? Yes, guys, please solve it. 78 divided by 2 equals to what? 78 divided by 2 equals to what? Solve it. For 78 divided by 2. Okay. In 78 divided by 2, what is the dividend here, guys? Tell me, what is the dividend here in 78 divided by 2?
Write in the notebook.
Yes.
There goes that's 3.
Guys, I repeat, yes, write in the notebook. Solve it. 78 divided by 2. Solve it by yourself. Yes, guys, in 78 divided by 2, what is the dividend here? Please. 78 divided by 2. Tell me the dividend here.
78. 39. 39. So you write the answer. 39, sir. 39.
Those who are saying 39, they are wrong. Because I am asking about the dividend. Is there 39 is the dividend here? What is the dividend here, guys? What is the dividend here?
37.
That is 78, guys. That is 78. This is your, the dividend here is 78. This is 78. And what is the divisor here? Because 78 is going to divide it by 2. So you will write here 2. Now check how many 2's are there in 7. How many 2's are there in 7? How many 2's are there in 7? So 212, 224, 236, 248. So there are 3 2's in 7. There are 3 2's in 7. So you will write here 2. 3. There are 3 2's in 7. There are 3 2's in 7. What is the next step? Multiply this 2 by this 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. So you write 6 here. Then minus this 6 from this 7. 7 minus 6 equals to 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So you will write here 1. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So write here 1. This is 1. Okay, 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So you cannot write 1. There is no 2's in the 1 because 2 is smaller than 1 is smaller than 2. So you will drop down this 8 here and it will become 18 now. Now check in 18 how many 2's are there. Check the table of 2. 212, 224, 236, 248, 2510, 2612, 2714 and 2918. So write 9 here. Write here 9. 39 and multiply this 9 with this 2. 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18. Write this 18 just exactly down to this 18 minus 18. 18 minus 18 equals to 0. Right here then 0. So what is the answer here? 78 divided by 2 equals to, yes guys, 78 divided by 2 equals to
39.
39. Very good. Very good. Now I'm giving you questions. You have to complete it. Okay. The questions is, I'm going to write here. This is going to be a homework, okay? 168 divided by 3. This is 1. And second is 72 divided by 2. Okay. So these two questions are your homework. You have to complete in your home. Now I'm going to tell you one more way for dividing this. Okay. This is also division. And we are going to learn more way to do this division. How we can do this division by another method. So we are going to start divide by repeated subtraction method. Repeated subtraction method. Okay, so again I'm going to write here question number 2, solve the following. Guys, write this question in your notebook. Write this question in your notebook. Question number 2, solve the following by repeated subtraction method. Okay, again question number 1, a is 87 divided by 3. I will write same question here, 87 divided by 3. Yes, guys, so how you will do the subtraction method, how you will divide by using subtraction method. What is subtraction method, guys? It is very easy. What you will do, just you have to divide this 87 by 3. So you know it is very easy to multiply 3 by 10. Any number is very easy to multiply by 10. So you just multiply this 3 by 10, 3 by 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30, right? So you write here first 87 and down you multiply, you write 87 here and down you multiply 3 by 10. 3 by 10 equals to 30. 3 by 10 equals to 30. And then minus this 30 from 87. What you will do, guys, write 87, 87 you have to divide, so write 87 and multiply 3 by 10. So you get the answer, that is 30. Minus this 30 from 87. So 87 minus 30, 7 minus 0 equals to 7, and 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So it becomes 57 now. This way you have to write. 87 minus 30 you write here is equals to 30, and then you minus this 30 from 87. It will become 57. The next step is to again multiply 3 by 10. 3 by 10. You multiply it again. Again you will get the answer, that will be 30. So minus this from 57. 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30. And you minus this 30 from 57. So this is 57. When you minus 30 from 57, it will become, yes, 7 minus 0 equals to 7. 7 minus 0, 7. And 5 minus 3 equals to 2. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So 57 minus 30 equals to 27. Right? Now, even it is, you can multiply 3 by 10. No, you cannot multiply 3 by 10. Why? Because 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30. And it is 27. 27 is less than 30. So now you multiply 3 by any number by which you can get 27. So you multiply 3 by here 9. When you multiply 3 by 9, 3 by 9, this 3 by 9, you will get the answer 27. And you minus, when you minus 27 from 27, the answer will be 0. 27 minus 27, it will be 0. This 27 here and
A-H-A-N-E-E-A-W.
27 minus 27 equals to 0. Now how to find out the answer? So you multiply this 10, look here. You multiply this 10, and this 9.
Oops. Oops. What?
Now
What's wrong?
add this.
What's wrong with you?
Who is speaking? To find the answer, add this 10, and this 9. So you will find it 10, 10 plus 10 plus 9 equals to 29. So 29 is the answer. 87 divided by 3 equals to 29. Again, I repeat how you are going to solve it. You are going to solve it in that way. First, you are going to multiply 3 by 10, because in 87, you multiply 3 by 10, you get 30. You minus that 30 from 87. Okay, the answer you get is 57. In 57, you can now even multiply 3 by 10. You minus 3 you multiply 3 by 10, 30, and minus this 30 from 57. When you minus this 30 from 57, you get the answer, that is 27. Okay, now you cannot multiply again 3 by 10, because if you multiply 3 by 10, you will get 30. Okay, so it's better to multiply any number by which you can get 27. So you check the table of 3. 3 multiplied by 1 3, 3 multiplied by 2 3, 3 multiplied by 3 9, 3 multiplied by 2 6, 3 multiplied by 3 9, and 3 multiplied by 9, you will get 27. So 27 minus 27, you get 0. So this is the method of repeated subtraction method. Okay, and this question we solved by long division method here, and the answer you can see this is same. So there are two different methods we learned today for dividing, and this is the long division method, and this is the method of division by repeated subtraction. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is your homework. You have to divide 168 by 3 and 72 by 2. I hope you understand. Yes, guys, any problem in the long division? In the division?
I cannot understand
Homework. We use the two methods or one method.
method.
We use only
Subtraction. Oh, sir. Why?
Guys, you can use any method, whatever is easy for you. Okay, for the homework you can use any method. You can use the division method also, you can use the repeated subtraction method also. Okay, in repeated subtraction method, if you want me to repeat, so what you have to do, you have to write the first dividend. Okay, because dividend is 87. Now multiply the divisor by 10, because multiply the divisor by 10 and minus it from the dividend. 3 multiplied by 10 30, minus it from dividend, it becomes 57. Now check, can you even multiply divisor like 3 by 10 or minus? Yes, because it is 57. Again multiply 3 by 10 30 and minus from 57. Now it's become 27. Now check again, can you multiply the divisor by 10 also right now? No, because it is 27, and 3 multiplied by 10 will give you 30. Now check the table of 3. In what how many times you read the table of 3 in order to get 27? So that is the answer, 9. But if it is not 27, if it is 67 here, so I multiply 3 again by 10. So I will multiply the divisor by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 until I get the number here which which directly come in the table of the divisor. Like if I'm dividing 27 by 3, like this is not 27, if it is 47, so 47, uh, in 47, if I multiply 3 by 10, so I get 30. I can minus 30 from 47, right? So I will not multiply, I will directly multiply again one more time 10. 3 by 10, that will become 30. Okay, in that way we have to do it. All right, guys.
Alright, sir. Very easy, sir. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
This is your
Sir,
homework.
bye.
This is your
Bye,
homework.
sir. Answer. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yes, Ahmad, what do you want? You were saying something. Yes.
Sir, if the dividend is a long number like 876,
Okay.
we multiplied it by 10.
If no, you can then multiply by 100 also. Or you can do multiplication, but if you go for multiply by 10, that will be long,
Okay, sir.
So you can multiply by 100 also.
It's a small number, so it's a small number multiplied by 10, but it's a big number multiplied by 100.
If the big number, multiply by the 100 first, then go for 10. So that in one value you can find the number. Like if it is 876 and it is divided by 2, let's suppose. It is divided by 2. Okay. So you multiply 2 by 100. Yes, you can leave. You can multiply 2 by 100 first, then minus hundreds, hundreds, until you get the values in the tens. When you get the values in the tens, then start multiplying by 10. Okay.
So, okay, sir. So, if the first 2 multiplied by 100, then 2 multiplied by 10.
Yes, if the value is in the 100. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Until you find the value of the 10, you multiply by 100. And until you
Yes,
find...
I understand. I am ready for all difficult questions.
All right. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye. Now it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Complete your homework.
Bye, sir.
Can you bring the homework, sir?
Sorry.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
See you next time, sir.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye-bye.
If you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye-bye.